students, now we are going to discuss about 12th standard computer science chapter 5 topic programming in Python. In Python program can be written in two ways. In Python program can be written in two ways. What are the ways? Interactive mode, another one is script mode. Okay. Interactive mode. What is mean by interactive mode? The interactive mode allows us to write code in Python command prompt. This is the command prompt. Interactive mode program can be written in Python command prompt. Okay. Next, script mode program can be written and stored as separate file. Script mode program can be stored in separate file. Okay. Next, script mode is used to create and edit Python source file. Script mode method can be used to create and edit program in source files. This is the interactive mode is you write the programs in command prompt. Okay students. Next, in how to invoking the Python using interactive mode. How to invoking the Python in interactive mode. Select start step. Step 1, select start all programs Python 3.x. Next, idle Python 3.8. How to invoking the Python? Select start all programs Python 3.x and idle Python 3.x. Okay. Next, or another way is click the Python icon on the desktop. Or another mode is click Python icon. Okay, Python icon. Click Python icon on desktop. Okay. Next, now Python idle window appear. Okay. Select start all program. Then Python 3.x idle Python 3.x. Now the Python idle window appear. Here let us see. This is the Python idle window. This window is the Python idle window. Here this is the Python prompt. Okay. Next, idle. What is the full form of idle? Integrated Development Learning Environment. Idle stands for Integrated Development Learning Environment. Next, one example here. See, this is the command prompt. Python prompt. Okay, you type 5 plus 10 and display the result 15. In interactive mode, your display is result on the screen. Display your result is display immediately. Result is display immediately. You click in this prompt 5 plus type 5 plus 10. What's the output? 15. Next, another one example, type 5 square. 5 square means 5 into 5. What's the output? 25. Display the result immediately. Okay. At a time, you display the result. Okay. You see the result at a time. Okay. Next, print. If you want to print any one words or sentence. How to print? Using this method. In command prompt, you type print. Next, Python programming language. What is the output? Python programming language. This result will be displayed on the screen. Okay. Next, another one. If you want, type one or more lines. How to type one or more lines? In command prompt, first line you type x is equal to 10. Next, press the enter key. Next, command prompt is display. Next, you type y equal to 20. Next, press the enter key. Okay. Press enter key. Another line is displayed on the screen. Next, you type your program. Here, see, x equal to 10, y equal to 20, z is equal to x plus y. Next, last line, the sum equal to z. What is the output? The sum equal to 30. Next, last line, you finish the last line. Next, press the enter key. The result will be displayed on the screen. Okay. This is the interactive mode. Next, another mode is script mode. Okay. Script is a, normally, script mode is a text file. Text file. It's containing the Python statement. Script mode is a text file. It containing the Python statement. How to invoking the script mode? Click file menu and select new file. Click file menu. In a desktop having your Python icon, you double click on this icon. The Python window will be displayed on the screen. Next you click the file menu and select new file. Or another one ways, the keyboard shortcut is Ctrl plus N. Next your Python script mode window display on the screen. Let us see here. This is the Python script mode window. Okay, and untitled, this is the title bar, this is the menu bar. You select file menu and then select new. Here see, select file menu and then select new file option. Okay, then display this window. Okay, next type the code, following codes. Next type the following codes. A equal to 100, B equal to 350, C equal to A plus B. Print the sum equal to C. What is the output? The sum equal to, what is the output? 450. The sum equal to 450. Okay. Next topic, how to save the program. How to save your Python script mode program. Select file menu and click save. Select file menu and click save option, or keyboard shortcut is Ctrl plus S key. You press the keyboard. What's the key? Ctrl plus S. Okay. Next you select the file menu and click the save, or press Ctrl plus S key. Now display the save as dialog box on the screen. Now display the save as dialog box on the screen. Here, let us here. This is the save as dialog. This is the save as dialog box. Okay, students, this is the save as dialog box. Here, see, this is the file name option. File name, you type any one file name and .py. This here demo one is the file name. .py. Py means Python extension. What is meant by extension? Extension describe which type of files. Extension display which type of file. Py means Python file. For example, file name .html. What the type of file? HTML file. File name .doc. This is the word processor. Okay. So extension can be used to describe the file types. Okay. Next, for executing, run. Next you open the file in script mode. Next type the program and save your file. Next display the result. How to execute the result. Okay. Click run option on the menu bar. Click run option on the menu bar and then select run mode. Run and run mode, or press F5 key. Or press F5 key. Okay. Your program is to be executed and display the result. Okay. Your program can be executed and display the result. Okay. So programming in Python having two types, the two ways of method. First one is interactive mode, another one is script mode. Interactive mode can be used to display the result in same time, at a time. But script mode programming can be used to display the result in execution time. Okay, edit the program. If you have any one error in interactive mode, you typing any one error in interactive mode, you correct it in at a time. But in script mode, you correcting the program in execution time. Okay. So this is the difference between interactive mode and script mode.